Malvin Sons. This award, the winner will receive cash and cash of 5,000 pesos. Men's Malvin Sons goes to candidate number 9, Gina Again. Our next order trade will receive cash and cash of 5,000 pesos. Congratulations to candidate number 15, Janet Reyes. Our next Futuna Audit will receive cash and cash of 5,000 pesos. Miss Futuna Audit goes to candidate number 15, Janet Reyes. Our Miss Alaska Ambassadors will receive cash and cash of 5,000 pesos and Alaska buttons. Alaska Ambassadors goes to candidate number 15, Janet Reyes. Next up, Miss Mark. She will receive cash and cash of 5,000 pesos. Our Miss Mark is candidate number 9, Rita Again. For our Miss Sutherland, she will receive cash and cash of 5,000 pesos. Miss Sutherland is candidate number 5, Alex Orozco. Miss Uma Residences, she will receive cash and cash of 5,000 pesos. Miss Uma Residences is candidate number 12, Angela Arena. For our Miss Deca Holmes, she will receive cash and cash 5,000 pesos. Miss Deca Holmes goes to that I have to tell you later. Okay, now we move on to our next award. Our Miss Megatuna, she will receive cash and cash of 5,000 pesos. Our Miss Megatuna is candidate number 15, Janet Reyes. Congratulations, ladies.
Presenting the award for Miss Robinson, CL is represented by the Alliance Regional Marketing Manager, Mr. Steve Blanchard.
is beautiful.